Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my BOXYCHARM base box for August of 2021. I resubscribed. I know you guys, you're like, I thought you were done with BOXYCHARM, and I'm like, I know, but here I am with BOXYCHARM again. It's fine. It's fine. I do have a little complaint though, because a couple months ago when it was like pop-up or it was add-ons or something, I wasn't subscribed to any box and I got an email saying, hey, come shop our store. Forgot which one it was. It was probably like add-ons. Come shop our store. Even though you're not a member, come shop our store. And I'm like, is that at the point in being a member? You get the exclusive right to getting like all these deals on all this makeup, and people that aren't subscribed gets to shop the makeup. And I also got a $10 credit, just saying, which I did do. I got 2 of the one size Patrick Star wet wipe things, and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills setting spray because I wanted that. So yeah, but anyways, I'm pretty excited to open this up because it's heavy. Like, I haven't had a BOXYCHARM be this heavy since like BOXYLUXE of September 2019, okay? I don't think I've had a BOXYCHARM this heavy, especially a base box. So I'm pretty excited to see what's in here. So if you guys are into these types of videos from me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. And if you're already watching this video right now, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. It's completely free. Just click the button. It will make my day. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, I do want to mention, if you hear some chirping in the background, I do have 4 baby chickens over here. I did mention this in my last video that I filmed, so I'm just going to roll that little clip of me showing you my chicken. It's like 5 seconds long, just so you can see one. And then maybe you'll be okay with the chirping in the background. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen them. I have 2 of these, and then 2 black ones, but this one here is, Peep. We love Peep. Isn't Peep so cute? Say hello to Peep. Say hi, Peep. Hi. I know. Isn't my baby chicken so cute? So anyways, now that you've seen that and you probably are like, cool, we can definitely deal with the chirping in the background, let's open my base box. Oh boy, I got a lot of big products this month. That's probably why it's so heavy. I don't even know what this theme is. Go all out. Okay, I haven't kept up a BOXYCHARM in such a long time, I don't even know. Okay, so the first thing here, which is one reason why this is so heavy, this is a Dead Sea Mineral plus Caviar. Oh, the fishies. Makeup remover wipes from Aham Beauty Care. There's caviar in here. That means there's so many dead fish babies. That's so sad. But then again, I love steak, so I guess it's fine. So these are 12 bucks. It says cleansing face wipes that clear away all traces of dirt, oil, makeup, and impurities, infused with caviar and Dead Sea minerals to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Feel fresh and rejuvenated in one simple step. The wipes go beyond removing makeup with anti-aging ingredients that minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Well, that sounds appetizing, so I'll definitely give them a try. Also, I did just unbox my Charlotte Tilbury mystery box if you guys want to see it. It's pretty good. I'm staring at the products here like wanting to play. Anyways, let's go on with the next product. Ooh, okay. So this is the Kate Somerville Exfolikate Glow Moisturizer. I'm glad that I saw the word Exfolikate Moisturizer because I got the Exfolikate, like exfoliator, several months back, and let me tell you, it was like green. It burned the heck out of my face. I tried it a few times and then I just couldn't do it anymore, so I haven't used it since, but I'm really excited about this. I still use her Goat Moisturizer, which has kind of a weird smell, so hopefully this doesn't smell like that because I kind of don't use it because I don't like the smell. And I have goats, okay? I have 3 baby goats, and you guys already know I don't know. It's just, it's weird. Okay. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. This retails for $70. Revive dull, dry, lackluster looking skin with Kate's Exfolikate Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. I would love to reveal younger looking skin because I be getting old. Oh, this is... okay. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, I'm going to really like using this, so excited about that. The next product in here is another reason why my box is so heavy, because this is a very heavy product. This is the Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist. Hyaluronic acid, peptides, antioxidants. You get 100 milliliters in here. I bet this is expensive. $38. This mist is formulated with pineapple enzymes, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants to give dull, tired skin a healthy glow. This lightweight, fast-absorbing formula deeply penetrates and hydrates the skin. Mist onto clean skin after cleansing and before serum. Okay, so before I put my Tula serum on my face, got it. Ooh, this is such a beautiful bottle. And it's glass. Like, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, I wonder if it's gonna smell like pineapple. There's a scent there. I just can't tell what it is. But this is a beautiful bottle. Even if you don't want to use this, it would be so cute just to display. Let me tell you. Okay, next up from Iconic London, we have the Ultimate Bronzing Powder in the shade Light Bronze. Hopefully this will work for me. I really do like Iconic's products. Okay, Ultimate Bronzing Powder is perfect for creating an all-over sun-kissed warmth or to define and sculpt the face. With a natural matte finish, you can fake a just-stepped-off-the-beach bronze look all year round. The silky powder sits comfortably on the skin, skimming effortlessly over pores and fine lines for the ultimate flawless finish, available in 6 flattering shades to suit all skin types. Okay, let's see if it's going to work for me. This is a big boy. It's a big bronzer. Okay. Oh, and it doesn't look too warm. Okay, this might work for me. Oh yeah, that's gonna work for me for sure. This will go in my everyday makeup drawer. And then we have one more product here in bubble wrap. We have a palette. This is from #GiveThemLala Beauty. I don't know who this is. Lala. I feel like I know that name though. Lala? Let me know who that is. I know that sounds familiar. Okay. This is the Grown Woman palette. Say hello to a gorgeous eye palette full of earthy, sunset-colored mattes and foiled shadows. Includes 9 highly pigmented shadows that feel buttery soft and silky to the touch. These perfectly blendable shades effortlessly glide across the eyelid for a long-lasting, jaw-dropping look every time. This is $42. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. I kind of wish that the face was on there because I really like the, face. So anyways, palette time. Give them Lala. Okay, this is actually really pretty. It reminds me of like Juvia's Place, but also like it reminds me of something else, but I can't put. Maybe even like as if the Manny MUA Morphe palette, which was awful, was put into a Juvia's Place palette, and then you got Give Them Lala. Let me know if you want to see me do a look with this palette. I know I keep saying that with all the palettes that I've been getting in my subscription boxes, which I have filmed videos on. I just haven't filmed intros because I've been sick all week, and so I've actually sat down, had time, because I've just been bored, so I wanted just to play with makeup. So I've just been doing eye looks. So I've done several palettes. They'll be coming soon, so I'll be doing this one as well, and just see, like, you know, what the deal is, because out of the palettes so far, I actually surprisingly loved them all but one. One was a fail, so it'd be really great great to let you guys know which ones were not very good and which one were. But yeah, that is everything that I got on my BOXYCHARM. Let me know down below what you got in your BOXYCHARM. Do you still get BOXYCHARM? Are you tired of BOXYCHARM? Are you tired of subscription boxes in general? You know, all of that jazz. Let a girl know in the comments. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!